Hello, and today we're going to look at this house alarm I've just bought. It's a Yale sort of do-it-yourself job. There are several different makes out there, but I suppose one thing they have in common is that they're battery powered. And basically today we're going to look at an easy way to change the batteries in the outside Siren. All the other kit comes with like the room movement sensors and the keypad and the door or window alarm sensors are easy to get to inside the house. Comes with a lot of kit. You've got all sorts of base stations and screws, and the base station's powered by mains, instruction books and stickers to put on the outside of the house. But what we really want to talk about today is the outside Siren. It's quite a neat job, isn't it? There's just basically one screw to undo, and you just take it off like that. Inside, basically you've got your battery compartment under this white lid, which you just remove to replace the batteries. Inside you've got this tamper spring, and also on the back there's a tamper spring which stops any interference being unnoticed by the alarm. So today it was raining outside. I was going to put it out today, but I thought, let's think of a easy way to change the batteries when this is high up outside our house. So what I've decided to do is, let's put this to one side. Oh, there's the instructions. Is I've made a back-in plate, or bulkhead I suppose you could call it, which basically, instead of screwing the alarm directly to the wall, you screw it to here. And basically you've got to make this backing plate large enough so it covers the tamper spring. So now we'll just screw this onto here quickly. So it's just 4 screws to tighten these two parts together. I'm a bit old-fashioned. I like screwdrivers, not doing it with the drill. Jobs like this like to know that how much torque is put on. I know the drills have got settings, but there we are. That seems quite firm. So now we have the backing plate onto there. So now we have to put the cover back on. And screw up this one to hold the outside cover on nice and tight. So now we have the backing plate onto the Siren. So basically we've got to use our imagination now, because here I've used the a bracket. I've got to imagine that this is the outside wall of the house near an upstairs window. So basically screw the bracket to the wall next to an upstairs window, and the other side of the bracket is on the back of the backing plate I made. I made this one out of marine ply, but if you've got a bit of plastic, a bit of fascia plastic or something, may be better. But I give it a varnish, so it should be okay. And then basically you lean out of the window safely and basically just put the outside siren onto the outside wall. So when it comes to changing the batteries, the app on your phone should give you warning when this happens. You open the window, lift off the siren, replace the batteries and give it a bit of a clean, back out the window and slot it back on its bracket again. Now the bracket I've used is a television or monitor flush fitting bracket. I bought it for under £10 online, and it just does the job. I mean, that's quite firm. It won't blow off. It's quite a deep bracket, the two bits sliding together, and that should do the job until next time it needs the batteries replaced. And it saves me getting the long ladder out to do the job in all weathers. It usually happens then, doesn't it, when it's snowing or something. So that's an easy fix to easily replace the batteries in the outside siren. So I hope you found this video of interest, and do have a look at my other videos and consider liking and subscribing, and we'll see you again soon.